you can be a freelancer. And I'm going to break it down a little bit more when I say that. So being a freelancer, so every single person that's watching this video, every single person in the world has something that they're good at, something that you are good at. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It could be anything. Let's say you're good at skateboarding. Let's say you're good at singing. Let's say you're good at writing. Let's say you're good at reading out loud. It could be really anything. But if you have something that you identify that you're really, really good at, what you can do, and I've done it before, is you can go to a website called Fiverr. And I'm pretty sure you may have heard it before. If you're not, then I'll talk to you guys about it. But anyways, Fiverr is a freelancing website where you can either sell your services or you can purchase services. So for me, what I did is I pretty much created a couple of listings in regards to my mortgage business. I did one for a consultation. If somebody wanted to do a consultation, they could book a consultation with me. I did one for writing captions for your Instagram posts, because pretty much every single post that I've ever created on Instagram, on Facebook, on social media, I have created those posts on my own. So I was like, okay, I feel like I'm, I could do pretty good with writing. So I created one of those. And then I also did one with my YouTube channel, basically saying that I could do like content, UGC content. I just kind of just put it out there. But the good thing is I got 2 people that purchased services from me. One person wanted me to review a book that they had wrote. So the lady, she sent me this book and she wanted me to review this book. This is actually a really, really good book. It is called The Guide to Winning Credit Repair. It's all about credit repair, gives you credit repair tips. And it actually gives you, like, it's like a book you could write in and stuff, but this is a good book that will help you with credit repair. So she wanted me to review her book, and I reviewed it. And then also I did that one. And then also I had another guy, he sent me a t-shirt from his business, and it was a graphic t-shirt, and he wanted me to basically listen to a song, drink some coffee while listening to the song. It was pretty much like just kind of like an advertisement for a shirt. But yeah, so I got those orders. It wasn't a lot, but it's something that if you stay consistent at, if you're really good and you do a good job and you get reviews, you can continue to make money on there. So like I said, it's a talent. Whatever talent you have, whatever skill you have, you can monetize it on Fiverr and you can make money on it.